Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete cached images and files on your Chromebook web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your Chromium web browser and select the three-dotted icon up at the top right to open up the menu. And then going down to the bottom, select Settings. On the left panel, select Privacy and Security. And then underneath Privacy and Security, select Delete Browsing Data. Make sure Cached Images and Files is checkmarked here. You can also checkmark the Delete Browsing History as well as cookies if you choose. And you can adjust the time range up here at the top. Select Delete Data when you're ready to delete, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.